If you are in this age group of 50 or 60 plus and still looking to stay sharp and smart and working, this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Mimi and welcome dito sa ating home-based story kung saan nagsishare tayo ng mga work from home opportunities. Kaya naman kung bago kayo dito sa ating channel, please hit subscribe. Today, we're breaking down 5 of the best work from home jobs for seniors here in the Philippines. So, i-cover natin kung ano yung job, ano yung gagawin nyo, or yung mga tools na kailangan nyo, how much yung salary range for these jobs, and kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply. So, let's dive right in. So, number 1, guys, is being an online English teacher or yung ESL jobs. So, ang gagawin nyo dito, and na-cover ko na rin to sa ating mga previous videos, is magti-teach kayo ng students or professionals who are looking to learn English. So, either bata or mga businessman yung inyong mga tuturuan na Chinese, Koreans, or Japanese. Is magko-conduct kayo ng 25-minute sessions with them kung saan kakausapin nyo sila, tuturuan nyo sila ng English words, sentences, phrases, conversations. So, ang tools na kailangan nyo dito, kailangan nyo ng stable internet connection and a noise-canceling headset. Together, of course, with your home office setup. All the tools and software will be provided by the company that you will be working for. So, ano yung mga skills required for this job? You need to have good English communication skills. Kung meron kang English certification, that's also a plus. Kung wala naman kayong English certification, you can get it from Coursera or Teacher Record. They sometimes offer it for free. The salary ranges from 15,000 to 30,000 per month. So, depende to guys sa hours na kaya nyong ibuhos sa work nyo. Here are the top 3 platforms where you can apply. So, we have Rare Job, 51 Talk, and Native Camp. Number 2 job is as a telehealth patient coordinator. So ito guys, yung parang magiging receptionist kayo for hospitals. And usually, this is US or Australian based. Ang gagawin nyo, you are gonna help patient book their doctor's appointments, checking kung ano yung mga coverage no kanilang health insurance, assisting them with their camera or microphone, or setting up the Zoom calls. And you're also gonna be using tools that will be provided by the client. So, ito usually is medical CRM tools like Clinico or Jane, and then Zoom and Calendar. So, same thing, you're also required to have a noise-canceling headphones for this one. Kailangan marunong kayong mag-navigate ng mga CRM or database kasi mag-access kayo ng mga patient records. Hindi required na meron kayong background sa medical field, but if you have, for example, a nursing background, or something related, that's also a plus. And then, magkano yung pwede nyong sweldohin here? The salary ranges from 30,000 to around 55,000 per month. Saan naman kayo pwedeng mag-apply? They are hiring in HelloRish, Wing Assistant, and My Mountain Movers. So, may mga openings dyan. The third job is an online bookkeeper. So, kung accountant ka or bank employee ka before, this will be perfect for you kasi madali lang yung transition. Ang gagawin mo lang is magbabalance ka ng books for clients. So, part nito is recording daily expenses, sending invoice to their partners, and making sure their bank statements match the records. For tools, you have to be familiar with QuickBooks or Xero as these are the industry standards. And syempre, kailangan may background ka talaga sa accounting, finance, or any other similar field. And the salary range for this job is around 40,000 to around 75,000 per month. So, saan kayo pwedeng makakita ng clients or where can you apply? Clients looking for freelancers in Upwork. And then, meron din tayo sa Freelancer PH. Or, pwede rin directly to different Australian firms sa LinkedIn. Then, number 4, we have content moderator. So, content moderators like quality check or internet police. So, ang gagawin nyo is mag-review kayo ng comment or ng product descriptions or notes na in-upload ng mga users to business website. May mga training provided sila naman for this one kasi you'll have to decide whether or not to delete or retain a certain comment. So, depende sa company, they have their own moderation dashboard. So, walang degree required here. Kahit high school graduate, pwede dito. But you have to have an eye for detail. Alright, magkano yung pwede yung sweldohin as a content moderator? It's around 15,000 to 35,000 per month. So, depende sa magiging position nyo and sa account na i-handle nyo. And usually, if you're gonna apply for this job and it's a locally managed company, you'll also get health insurance for you and your dependent. So, bonus na yon. You can apply for this job in Task Us Careers or yung mga Facebook group that post hiring now jobs. And the fifth and final one is a content writer or proofreader. So, as a content writer, you're gonna be writing articles for blogs or websites. And then, as a proofreader naman, you're gonna be checking grammar mistakes. So, kung dati kang teacher, lawyer, accountant, you can summarize expert articles for content. And then, meron na rin tayo ngayong mga books. So, you can also write in Dreamy or Wattpad. So, ang tools na gagamitin nyo, any typing program like Google Doc or Microsoft Word, and of course, your Grammarly to check for typos. Kailangan, syempre, magaling kayong maggawa ng article or you have excellent writing skills. The salary ranges from 20,000 to 60,000 pesos monthly. Again, depende yan sa expertise that you bring to the table. Where can you apply? Meron tayong pro blogger job boards. We can also go to Constant Content or Fiverr. And then yung mga minention ko kanina, yung mga writing websites where you can get paid for writing per chapter. So mga titos and titas, important warning lang, no? Just make sure na whenever you apply, if they ask you to pay anything, don't fall for that scheme. A job supposed to pay you, not the other way around. So, kung meron sila mga kailangan bayaran for processing fees or training materials, that are red flag for scam. So, let's just be careful do sa mga ganun. And there you have it. So, hindi porket 60 ka na, game over na. There are a lot of jobs online if you know where to look. Share this video to help somebody you know. And please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay sharp, stay classic, and I'll see you in our next video.